Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix game bar not recording in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to go. You want to ensure everything has finished booting before you begin the troubleshooting process. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. In the search field that appears, type in Apps and Features and press Enter. This will open a new window showing all the applications currently installed on your Windows 11 device. This is where you can manage, modify, or repair any app that might be experiencing issues. Now you need to locate the Game Bar app from your list of installed programs. The easiest way to find it quickly is by using the search bar at the top of the Apps and Features window. Simply type in Game Bar and it should appear in the results. Click on the Game Bar app when you see it, and you'll notice that an Advanced Options link appears below it. Go ahead and click on that link to access the app's detailed settings and specifications page. On this page, you'll see various options for managing Game Bar. Scroll down through the available options until you find the Reset section. Here you'll see both a Repair button and a Reset button. For this fix, you want to click on the Repair button. This action repairs the Game Bar app and restores it to its default state, similar to when it was freshly installed on your computer. The repair process addresses any corrupted files or settings that might have been preventing the recording feature from working properly. Give it a moment to complete the repair process. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your Game Bar app, which should resolve the recording issue you were experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.